Mr. Stone.
Hey, Scram.
How you doing today?
Good.
What do you got going on?
Can you tell we're not in Nashville anymore, bro? Ouch, ouch.
This looks eerily like Detroit.
Back home, baby.
So what's on your agenda today?
Today we're gonna go sound check at Comerica Park for the national anthem tomorrow. Woo!
All right.
Yeah, I'm excited to just walk around the field and shit.
Have you ever been to Comerica Park?
I feel like Webster.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
All right, there we go.